Good afternoon and welcome to our campsite. Check out how beautiful and green this area is. So my friends, the plan for this video is we're going to set up the brand new Kodiak tent, and we're going to try this tent out for the weekend. Now if you have absolutely no clue what I'm talking about, I did an earlier video where I actually unboxed the tent, showed you some of the contents, and actually went out in the backyard and set it up to make sure, you know, all the parts and everything was in working order. So we're here. Let's go ahead and get unloaded and let's get this weekend started. All right, guys. So this model came with this ground tarp. So this is the first thing that we're gonna get set down. What it'll do is it'll actually protect the floor of the tent. So let's go ahead and get this staked down, kind of move it where we want it. Perfect right around the edge. There we go. Had to get around it. Alright, so we got the Kodiak set up. Now the one thing we did not set up tonight was the awning that this particular model comes with, but we'll probably set that up tomorrow when it gets a little hotter and show you that. Let's go ahead and get in close here and I'll just kind of show you just some of the features that this model has. Now the one of the cool features, it kind of has this vestibule where you can hang some stuff, and it also has a pocket on this side that you can store some things in, and also a multiple pocket on this side you can also store some stuff in, which is pretty cool. These triangle sections right here are actually windows, so it allows some awesome ventilation if you open both sides. And this particular model actually has two doors. You got a door here and then the door over there. And these here are actually also windows as well. So it's pretty cool. So I'm not going to do a full review on this, obviously, because we're going to try it out for a little while and put it through the test and see how the Kodiak stands up to the outdoors here in Utah. So my friends, we're going to go ahead and finish getting unpacked and get ready to settle in for the night.